students, I am Jyoti Bhatia from Bansal Public School. I am here in front of you with an amazing science experiment. Material required for the experiment are empty bottle, sellotape, marker, cutter, scissors, balloon, 4 bottle caps, broomsticks and few straws, and we have hot glue gun along with us. First, to cut the bottle, I'll just do the marking from where we are supposed to cut. We will use cutter as well as scissor to cut this. So you can see we have made 2 holes here. We have cut here as well as here. Now we take a straw and cut it in a small size, and we will place it just opposite to these 2 cuttings. You can see I have cut the straw in 2 equal size. Now we will apply hot glue gun on it and paste it over here. Be sure that they both are in a same straight line and both straws are of same size. Now we will take a bottle cap, and with the help of hot glue gun we will make a hole in the center. Or you can use iron rod, and with the help of your parents you will make a hole in it. Okay. You have to place bottle cap in this stick like this and pack it with, make it tight with the help of hot glue gun. The hole should be according to the size of the stick. Okay, it should be fully tight. Now we will place this stick inside the straw, and on the second end also we will do the same thing. Fixing, you can see I am fixing it here. This way your car will be ready. We have placed both pair of wheels over here, you can see. Now we will take 3 straws . Okay, and then what we will do, with the help of the hot glue gun we will fix them all. You can see here I have pasted all 3 straws, and now what we will do, this way we will fix the balloon on this end of the straws, and now what we will do, the extra spaces, that also we will cover with the help of hot glue gun, so that when we blow the balloon, air doesn't come out from these openings. Okay. This is now dry. Now what we will do, we will put this whole prepared structure inside from this hole and take it out from here. We will fix this structure with the help of sellotape. Here also, just below this we will apply a sellotape to give support to this structure. Okay, we will bend these straws little bit, and now our car is ready. Let's blow and just try whether it runs or not. We will blow this balloon from this ending. Ready, children? So you can see, children, this car is made up of old bottle, straws, balloon and old bottle caps. Okay, and what is the principle on which it works? It works on the principle of air pressure. Air exerts pressure and this car moves in the opposite direction of the air. Okay, the air comes out from here, whereas car moves in this direction. Action and reaction are equal and opposite. Thank you, children.